Alright, welcome to Scarlett and Natalia Toys Review. Today in our Learning Colors video we've got colors everywhere, counting. This is the book here where we got all different colors. This is our preview of the book. Look at this. This is the color red. And the next page has got the color yellow. And then we have the color blue. And the next page got the color green. And then we've got the color orange. And then we've got the color purple. Whoa, which one's your favorite? I think I like the purple dragon. And then we have the color pink. Oh, look at this. We got a pink princess. And then we've got a little piggy there. And then we have the color white. And we have the color black. Alright guys, we got the color brown. Woohoo! Okay, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We have got a lot of other videos. Check out our other videos. And we can do a little counting here. 1 red gnome, 2 yellow lemons, 3 blue pebbles, 4 green clovers, 5 orange carrots, 6 purple flowers, 7 candies, 8 white feathers, 9 black flies, and 10. This is 10 brown cookies. Alright guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.